Hello everyone, today we are going to start a new topic that is notice writing. Okay, this topic is from writing skills and it is also very important because it continues till the class 12th. So, dear students, let's start knowing about notice. First of all, what is notice? A notice is very significant format used to impart certain information in a concise form, means in a very brief form. We want to, if we want to convey any information to any person, then it should be in a concise form. Concise form means within a short form. It is used by individuals, institutions and organizations. Any kind of organization, institution, schools, colleges, everyone can use this and to give information about meetings, events, tours and other communication needs. And if they want to convey any kind of message, any kind of information to their employees, to the students, they use notice. Okay, meetings, conduction of meeting, any event they want to organize, any tour and other communication needs, for every purpose they used to put notice on the notice board. Now, different terms are included in format. Okay, now what are these formats? Terms, first of all, name of the organization. Whenever we are going to start a notice, first of all we have to mention the name of the organization from which it is issued. Okay, and for example, if you are studying in school, then the name of the school would be the name of the organization, like Prakash Public School, then you will write on the top. So, and next one is notice. After writing the name of the organization, you will write down the heading notice, NOTICE, in the capital letter, so that it could be easy for the reader to distinguish it from other formats like memo and circulars and etc. Then date, it is also compulsory. The issuing date of the notice should be mentioned on the, yes, after notice. Heading means it is a crux of the content, means the purpose, the main purpose, main agenda of the meeting, main agenda of the notice should be mentioned in the heading. Okay, so that the only the concerning persons will read it. Suppose if it is about the meeting, then there should be the meeting of employees, meeting of students, meeting of house captains. Suppose if there is about any event, then the organization of event, okay, and conduction of event, then the only the concerned person will read the notice. After all, after heading, there is a content. Content means it is the message we want to convey to the readers. It contains all the information like date, time, venue, or any other thing you want to convey. Like you can suppose the school is going to organize a sports event. Okay, then the date, time, qualification, eligibility, everything should be mentioned in the content, but in very concise and very precise form. Then it is a identity of the authority. Three things must be mentioned after writing the content, whole message which we want to convey to the group, a particular person or particular group. After which there is a identity of authority, means the person who is issuing the notice, authority, name of the authority, and the person who is writing the notice, his name. Okay, and afterwards his designation of class. Suppose he is a student of class 8. Okay, then write down the name after class. But if he or she is a head girl or head boy, then the designation would be head girl or a head boy. Okay, then it should be mentioned. And now the most important thing is box. Okay, and everything of notice should be in a box. We have to put into a box. It could be a rectangular shape or circular shape. Square or rectangle, but it should be in a box. Okay, so let's have a look on the format. See, here we have learned about name of the organization. So like Prakash Public School, notice. After it you will skip a line, then you will write the date. Okay, 28th July 2020. Then heading like meeting of house captains. Then content, here in this portion you will write the content of the notice. The name of the authority, Rahul, designation, secretary cultural club. So writing in notice inviting house captains to attend the meeting. Here is the Example means suppose you want to write a notice for house captains only. So meeting of house captains, so this notice is for the house captains only. So only the house captains will read this message and they will report to the particular place. So this is the exact format of writing the notice, and you have to follow it. After it, you have to put it all in the box. Okay, here is the format, here is an example. Understand? I hope you all have understood the main things about the notice. Thank you.